how to add clickable Facebook link to story. So if you want to add a clickable Facebook link or a link to your Facebook story, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Facebook app. Then let's say you're trying to basically create a certain story right here. Now you want to simply add some kind of link to this. So what you can do is here you can see the draw tool and other options like that. So first I will simply tap on this and go to the stickers icon. Under stickers right here you can see that we don't have the option to add a link, right? So what we will actually do from here is we just actually have one solution, and that is to add the link manually. So we can simply tap on this option here and type in https colon then // then www dot and whichever website it is. So if it's Facebook, I'll select facebook.com, or I can also copy and paste the link. Then once you've done that, you can simply tap on the done option and users will be able to simply copy this and paste it, and it will get clickable. So aside from this, there is actually no other way. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.